this is LVFD. I have got a new set. It's called the Bank Alarm. I got it today at my recent Walgreens. And I'm going to show you the pieces that it comes with. It comes with your police officer right here. If I can get him. You got a cool blue police officer. Some over there. Then you've got your robber. And you have a police car. The trunk opens. Cool. Love it. Set them over there. Then you got your big play set. Then you got these two pieces. I'm going to put it together now. I've got it together now. And I'm going to put it on here. Pretty cool set. If you want, you can put a car down. You have your gel piece. This wall right here goes down. And then you have another hidden police door. If I can get it open. Try my best to. Sorry, YouTube, if I'm struggling. It's been a hard time for me. Got a door that opens. This comes open. And you have a cool working elevator. You can't see it well. But I put the police car on. You shut the door. It goes up. And then it goes up. And then we'll take it down. And then you can open it back up and then go to the car, elevate it, and then lift this thing up. That'll be all. See you guys next time.